This kitten was jealous of the toy his friend got, so he got angry and refused to play. He also didn't finish his food and would hide whenever he was called. Then the owner bought him an excavator toy, but he still wasn't happy and kept hiding under the pillow. So this little guy decided to pack his suitcase and was about to leave home. But the owner finally decided to give him the toy he wanted, and he immediately jumped on it. But this little guy started to go too fast, so he had to grab onto the tent to stop himself. And to calm him down, the owner gave him his favorite treats. If this moment made you smile, leave a like for him.